Hello guys, welcome back to Lucore Automotive Services. Today I am going to work on this 68 RS a little bit more. I put some Detroit Speed front electric headlight door motors in it, and one of them is not working quite right. Kind of needs to open a little farther than that. And you shut it off. Oh, it actually shut that time. Make a fool out of me. Oh heck, I must have fixed it. Well, I guess I'll move on to the next thing. Now, actually that door's binding, so I'm going to take it apart, check them over. Thought I'd let you see how these things fit. They fit pretty nice. It's pretty easy install. It took me a lot longer than I thought it was going to, but that's kind of the way things go on old stuff. If I ever have to install another set of these, I'll be a few steps ahead because I'll have a better process in mind as to how to do them. It's a nice kit. It's really nice because you don't need engine vacuum, so if you've got a nice lumpy cam and no engine vacuum, then you can use electric motors to open and close your headlight doors. At any rate, if you want to see what I do with this thing, stick around, come along for the ride, click like, subscribe, give us a comment below. Thanks for coming along. Oh, they don't fit in these. There's really enough light in here to see what you need to see, but maybe it'll work. This car is beautiful.
All it does is take gas in and pour gas out.
Oh my goodness.
You go like that, and then you go like that.
And you pour it, and you don't spill it all over the place.
Nope.
That's amazing.
That's it. No super complicated scientific spout technology.
Scientific spout technology that doesn't work.
That doesn't friggin' work. It pours fuel all over my feet.
Pours fuel all over everywhere anyway. So this is the bracket. It bolts into these two factory bolt locations. And that holds the whole thing in place. And it's got a metal rod that connects into your headlight door actuator arm. I did have to clearance the bracket a little bit, but nothing major. I'm going to pop this off and see if I have anything binding on my door. If I do, I'm going to try to remedy that. It's like an 8mm. It does bind a little bit. Not much. Let's see if we can get some. Oops, did that kick you? You guys are looking at my armpit right now. I bet that's exciting. Man, I've got it moving pretty free. The overcam springs are removed. I guess I'll spray some lube in them again and see if I can get it to free up a little bit more. Well, I'm going to hit these pivot points. want these doors to move like butter. The overcam springs have to be removed. You want as little resistance on the doors as possible. It's feeling pretty good. There's where it hangs up. It's got a little bit of a drag there, but I think we're just gonna have to keep lubing this thing up until it works the way it needs to work. Like butter, Dave. It's like butter.
I've got to do this. Lube them again.
I don't think I can make it work smoother than that.
No.
I tried loosening up all the hardware, but that doesn't work.
No.
It'll end up falling apart if you loosen the hardware. It actually has shoulder bolts to pivot on. So let's hook the arm back up, see if it works. Heck yeah, I'm happy with that. So the trick is lubrication to make sure your doors open right. When this car came to me, these doors and all their pivot points were completely dry, and it took quite a remarkable amount of effort to open and close these doors manually. So I can only imagine why the vacuum actuators were having such a problem opening the doors. And when I realized that, I kind of lubed them all up. As I remember when I did my uncle's car, when I put all those together, I actually used wheel bearing grease in all the joints, and they operated like butter as well. So you want to make sure all your pivot points are well lubed. These would have actually been a lubrication point on your at your normal service interval. So like if you were getting your oil changed, all the hinge points would be lubricated at that time too, which your hood hinges, these pivot points, your door hinges, those should all get a shot of lubrication every time you service your vehicle. It just keeps these moving parts so that they can move freely. But this is good. I'll call the customer up, let him know he's ready to go. I love this color. This color is amazing in the sunlight. Well, at any rate, guys, gals, thanks for coming along with us on a little bit about a 68 Camaro and its lazy eye, I guess you could call it. A little lubrication, fixed it right up, and now we're going to take it for a test drive. Good day for a test drive. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, leave us a comment below. You guys have a great day. Stay safe out there.